How to connect your domain to a funnel or website. This video will review how you can add and attribute your domain to a funnel or website. This is assuming that you've already successfully added domains to your account. If you have not yet done that and you're looking for how to add a new domain to your account, you're going to want to check out our other tutorials first, and then come back here. Once you've added a domain to your account and you're looking for how to attribute that to your funnel or website, you are in the right place. There are two ways you can do this. The first is going to be found in the Domains tab within your settings. This is where you'll find your domain configurations. Here you'll see all of the domains that you have added to your account. You'll see these little pencil icons here, and this is where you're going to attribute the domains to any of your funnel or website pages. Click on the pencil icon to edit, and you'll see a default page. You can select a page for this URL to go to. The benefit of doing it this way is that any of these pages, if you select one of them, is that if someone types in thedemoaccount.com, it will take them directly to this page, regardless of any path that's attributed to that subdomain. So once you've selected the page, you'll see Save. Now, I'm not going to in this video, but you could do so to save your changes. Now, the other option you have is if you want to attribute it within your funnel or website configuration directly. Navigate into your funnel. So here I've selected a funnel. You'll come into the settings, and I've actually already attributed a domain to this. So you'll see here within the Settings tab, there's a domain option, and you'll have a drop-down for what domains you can attribute this funnel page to. So the difference with attributing it to your funnel or website configuration instead of your domain configuration is that in order for someone to access this funnel page, they'll need to type in this entire URL. So here it would be thedemoaccount.com/membership. They'll need to include the domain as well as the path in order to access this. Again, if you've not yet configured your domain, which is where we just were, you'll want to make sure you've done so. If you have configured it here, this way people can access the page with the URL as well as the path. If you'd like for them to be able to access this page using just the URL, then that will need to be done within the domain configuration, specifically with the setup, as it's actually the same for your websites. And you can still add, if you'd like, the attribution for a domain to the first page of your funnel. Then you can go to the next funnel page and you'll add a path here. Then you'll just need to access this page using this path. Again, it's the same thing. If you go into your websites, you can select the website and you can come into your settings and select a domain here. It's just like within the funnels. If you select a domain here and not in the domain configuration, you will need this path to be able to access the page. You can do this for both, and it will be, by default, go to the domains configuration. So what this means is if you have it both set up here and within your domain configuration settings, it'll automatically default to whatever's in your domain configuration settings. Essentially, if you have it in both, you won't need the path to access the page. But if you only have it here, you will need the path to access the page. So again, this is how you can configure your domains within your funnels or websites. Thanks!